Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. Today promises to be an emotionally intense day for you, Aries. You will infuse everything you do with your usual passion, and as a result, success will follow naturally. However, there is one issue that you've been avoiding because it's too close to your heart. Today, the stars urge you to tackle this issue head-on and face it with the courage and determination you are known for. Health and wellness today. It's time to pay attention to your health, Aries. Although you might not be feeling your best, it's important to monitor your well-being every day. You may not know exactly what's wrong, but it's clear that you're not in your prime health. Begin a consistent exercise routine, even if it feels challenging. These exercises are beneficial in the long run and will help you improve your overall well-being, so don't put them off any longer. Love and relationship today. The planetary alignment today makes you feel emotionally charged and romantic. Lately, you've been paying lip service to the concept of love, but today you're ready to commit fully to your relationship. This emotional awakening comes at a crucial time, so it's vital that you take immediate action to nurture your romantic partnership. If you wish to preserve the bond, be proactive and express your commitment. Career and money today. Financially, Aries, you've been feeling the pinch lately with expenses outpacing your income. However, today marks a turning point. Your fortune seems to be improving, as both your income and expenses are starting to level out. Be mindful, though, while this shift is positive, it's crucial to move slowly and cautiously. Rushing into decisions now could set your finances back. Taurus horoscope today. Today is a day of recognition for you, Taurus. Your sharp analytical skills and ability to get things done with precision will earn you the admiration and respect of others. People will look up to you for your remarkable judgment and your ability to take charge in any situation. However, unexpected news may require you to travel to a potentially dangerous destination. Don't worry, this trip will be brief, and it's important to stay calm and focused. Health and wellness today. Today, Taurus, pay close attention to your diet, as stomach troubles or digestive issues could arise. For a while now, you've been feeling the need to reevaluate your eating habits. Today, you'll feel a strong push to take that first step. Adjusting your diet can not only alleviate physical discomfort but also help reduce your mental stress, much of which, you might find, stems from your lifestyle choices rather than external pressures. A positive dietary change will be the key to restoring balance. Love and relationship today. The planetary forces today may seem to tug you in different directions when it comes to your love life. You feel the urge to act decisively, but there's also a sense of caution holding you back. This tension will manifest in your relationship in an interesting way. You may learn something new about your partner or your relationship dynamics that will help you plan for the future. Pay attention to these insights, as they'll be valuable in moving forward. Career and money today. A dream opportunity may be on the horizon today, Taurus. Your aspirations of working abroad could become a reality. You might receive offers from reputable companies with international ties, but be prepared to face some documentation challenges. Don't worry, these hurdles will be temporary, and once they are cleared, success will follow. With your career taking a positive turn, money will start flowing in the right direction. Gemini horoscope today. Today, Gemini, you're feeling impulsive and ready to jump into new projects without considering all the details. While your enthusiasm is commendable, rushing ahead can lead to unnecessary issues both at work and in your family life. Try to stay grounded, even though it might feel challenging right now. Several opportunities will present themselves, and it's important to evaluate them carefully to discern which are the right fit for you. Health and wellness today. Health is a significant concern for you today, Gemini. Trust your intuition when it comes to selecting the right fitness routine for you. Pay attention to your body's signals. You may encounter tempting food offers throughout the day, but it's crucial to be mindful of what you eat. Overindulgence could trigger digestive problems and lead to health issues that you'd prefer to avoid. Stay disciplined and make healthy choices. Love and relationship today. An encounter with someone from your past is on the horizon. This individual once shared a close bond with you, and meeting them again could mark a fresh beginning. Whether it changes the dynamics of your current relationship or rekindles an old one, this meeting holds the potential for renewal. Be honest with yourself about your feelings, don't cover them up, and you will enjoy a more fulfilling and insightful day in love. Career and money today. While you are established in your career, Gemini, you may feel restless and discontent with your current professional situation. The desire to make a change or explore new avenues may become strong. However, leaving your job now would be a hasty decision. These feelings of dissatisfaction are temporary, and it would be wise to hold off on making any major career decisions today, as you might be misjudged by the current emotions you're experiencing. Cancer horoscope today. Today, Cancer, you may find yourself spending more on things like home furnishings, clothes, and cosmetics. While your purchases might feel indulgent, you will have the wisdom to stop just short of extravagance. Additionally, you're likely to give a thoughtful, expensive gift to someone you love, and they will truly appreciate it. However, to make your gestures even more meaningful, it's important to also express your feelings verbally. A heartfelt conversation will add depth to your actions. Health and wellness today. Your physical health is already in good shape, Cancer, but it's time to focus on nurturing your mind. You tend to overexert mentally, and today is a reminder to slow down and relax. Consider enrolling in a recreational activity that stimulates your brain and helps you unwind. Dedicate a few minutes of your day to meditation and mindfulness. This will help center your thoughts, which often scatter in many directions, and bring a sense of balance. Love and relationship today. Love and romance may feel a bit risky for you today, Cancer. While you may meet someone who seems genuinely interested and serious, avoid rushing into a romantic relationship just yet. Instead, focus on being friends first. Let this person see how much you care, and allow the relationship to develop naturally. Building a solid foundation as friends will ensure that any romantic connection has a stronger, more lasting potential. Career and money today. You are likely to receive unexpected financial windfalls today, Cancer, possibly from an unlikely source. Speculative ventures, such as investments in stocks or short-term markets, are also likely to pay off handsomely. With financial luck on your side, it's important to keep your spending in check and avoid any extravagant purchases. If you manage your finances wisely, you'll find yourself enjoying greater financial security. Also, a generous donation to a charitable cause may come your way today. Leo horoscope today. Today, Leo, you're radiating confidence, and it shows in both your attitude and body language. Wherever you go, people will take notice, and you're likely to make a lasting impression. Important business meetings are likely to go your way, and even if a situation seems tricky, you'll have the charm and persuasion to bring others around to your point of view and get things done on your terms. Health and wellness today. You've been contemplating making changes to your lifestyle and diet for a while now, but indecision and doubts have been holding you back. Today, Leo, all of that changes. You will find the clarity and determination you need to take that first step toward a healthier lifestyle. Whether it's exercise or diet, you will draw inspiration from someone close to you, and their support will be the push you need to begin your transformation. Love and relationship today. Your relationship is at a crucial crossroads, and today you'll be blessed with an unusual clarity of vision. You'll be able to assess where you've been and where you're headed with great precision, allowing you to judge whether the direction your relationship is taking truly aligns with your happiness. This clarity will help you decide whether to stay the course or make necessary changes to ensure your emotional well-being. Career and money today. Work-related stress may take a toll on you today, Leo. The internal pressure may build up, and you could find yourself running out of time to accomplish everything on your list. While you can't control the situation, try to let the stress pass naturally. On a professional note, it may be necessary to lend an ear to someone you don't particularly like, but doing so for the sake of your work could be key to smooth progress. Virgo horoscope today. Virgo, today's horoscope urges you to stay calm and not let your inner panicking self get overwhelmed by the problems around you. Many of the issues you're facing today are actually beyond your control, caused by external factors and not your doing. These matters are trivial and will resolve themselves soon enough. To ease your stress, plan some recreational activities that will help clear your mind and lift your spirits. Health and wellness today. Maintain a stable and logical frame of mind today, Virgo. While your imagination might be running wild in other areas, especially in matters of romance, be careful when applying fantasy to your professional life. It may lead to unnecessary confusion. This is a time to indulge in romantic fantasies and personal enjoyment, but ensure that you approach work with a grounded, realistic attitude for the best outcomes. Love and relationship today. Your luxurious lifestyle might attract many people, but be cautious, as some of them may not have genuine feelings for you. Many will make false pretense of loving you, but remember, this is only temporary. Focus on the positivity of not being alone, and resist any feelings of loneliness. This is just the beginning of many more meaningful connections to come. Career and money today. Today, small but persistent obstacles will arise in your work, Virgo. You may find it challenging to meet deadlines and finish your tasks as these seemingly trivial issues pile up. Although it's tempting to get frustrated, maintaining your composure is key. Rather than trying to solve everything alone, consider asking colleagues for assistance. They'll be a great help in getting things done on time. Libra horoscope today. Libra, today is a day of personal empowerment. You are likely to discover a new source of strength within you, and it will dawn on you that you don't need external help to solve the challenges you face. You possess the power to tackle everything yourself, and you'll soon realize how self-reliant and capable you truly are. Health and wellness today. Pay attention to your body's needs today, Libra. It's important to identify what works best for you and stick with it to enhance your energy levels and well-being. If you've been traveling a lot and trying different foods, it may be taking a toll on your digestive system. Be cautious with your diet to avoid discomfort and ensure you maintain your health throughout the day. Love and relationship today. The stars indicate a surge of passion in your love life today, Libra. Someone very alluring may catch your attention, and it will be hard to resist the chemistry. However, be mindful of the consequences of indulging in a passionate yet potentially risky adventure. Remember, what seems like an enticing temptation may bring complications down the road. Be careful with your choices. Career and money today. Today, Libra, you may be tempted to stray from your usual honest approach at work and consider shortcuts to get things done. However, this path could lead to unnecessary risks. People will notice any trickery, and it may damage the trust and credibility you've worked hard to build over the years. Stick to your usual reliable methods and avoid jeopardizing your reputation. Scorpio horoscope today. Scorpio, today is a reminder of your unmatched determination and drive. When you set your mind to something, you see it through with flawless precision. Don't let the doubts or criticisms of others sway you. Your ability to accomplish what others cannot is what sets you apart. Keep your focus and continue to reach for the heights that others only dream of. Health and wellness today. You typically have a sharp mind, Scorpio, but today, your logical thinking might be clouded by personal insecurities. This isn't the best day to start new projects or collaborate with others, as your judgment could be off. Instead, take this as an opportunity to relax and clear your mind before making any significant decisions. Love and relationship today. Today, your attention will shift towards family and loved ones. You'll spend some quality time with your children, and this time together will help you regain perspective on what really matters in your life. This moment of reflection will also provide the clarity needed to make a decision that has been troubling you. Family will offer the emotional support and relief you need from accumulated stress. Career and money today. Work might feel overwhelming today, Scorpio, as multiple projects are piling up on your plate. It's okay if your day starts a little slower than usual. Don't be too hard on yourself. Prioritize your tasks and allow yourself a well-deserved break if possible. Financially, things are looking good, and you may even see returns on your investments. Sagittarius horoscope today. Today, Sagittarius, you may find yourself in a period of deep introspection, questioning both your past decisions and those made by your partner. While reevaluating your principles, you will approach everything with a supportive mindset, expecting the same understanding in return. It's a good time to let go of old ideologies that no longer serve you and embrace new ones that resonate with your evolving self. Health and wellness today. Sometimes, life moves at its own pace, and today, you are reminded to embrace patience. Agitation and restlessness will only worsen your well-being, possibly leading to discomfort or pain in your body. Relax and take the time to unwind. Listening to soothing music or practicing meditation will help calm your mind and heal your soul. Love and relationship today. If you've been neglecting your friends lately, today is an excellent day to reconnect. Organize a friendly outing, whether it's a movie night or a simple gathering with those close to you. This time spent with friends will dissolve the unnoticed stress you've been carrying. Additionally, someone from your past may reach out, offering an opportunity for reconciliation or reconnecting emotionally. Career and money today. Be cautious of a potential workplace rival today. This person may seem friendly but holds some unresolved issues with you. There's a chance they may attempt to settle old scores. Make sure you stay on top of your tasks, completing everything on time to avoid any unnecessary trouble with your superiors. Capricorn horoscope today. Today, Capricorn, you may find yourself overwhelmed by conflicting information and confusing situations. The best course of action is to trust your inner voice. Your instincts are your strongest guide right now, and by following them, you'll gain valuable insights into yourself and the future direction you want your life to take. Health and wellness today. You've worked hard to establish a healthy dietary regime, and today, you must stay disciplined. A friend or coworker may tempt you to indulge, but be mindful of the consequences for tomorrow. Resist the urge to stray from your path, as giving in to temptations will only drain your energy and disrupt the progress you've made. Keep your goals in mind and stick to your health routine. Love and relationship today. Today is a breakthrough moment for your love life. You'll gain clarity on what you truly want in a partner. Trust your feelings when you meet someone special. If a rush of butterflies fills your stomach, you'll know you're on the right path. Love should be your primary focus, not financial considerations. Let your intuition guide you towards a deeper connection. Career and money today. Good things are on the horizon for your career. You may receive payment for past work, an unexpected bonus, or even a long-awaited promotion. This could also be the day you finally get that coveted corner office or receive positive news if you've been seeking a new opportunity. If you've been feeling stagnant or contemplating a job change, today may bring good fortune your way. Aquarius horoscope today. Today, Aquarius, emotions may run high, but it's important to stay practical. You might feel impulsive, wanting to take bold steps in your personal or professional life. However, distinguishing between your desires and what is truly beneficial for you is essential. Take a step back, evaluate with objectivity, and communicate your decisions clearly before acting. Health and wellness today. You may experience a low energy level today, starting from the moment you wake up. Lethargy and fatigue will be your companions, making it difficult to accomplish tasks. As the day progresses, joint pain and backache may intensify. It's crucial to take it slow and avoid activities that could exacerbate the discomfort. Give yourself permission to rest and indulge in a relaxing day to recharge. Love and relationship today. For those in new relationships, today is a great time to nurture your bond. Romance and mutual talents will blend beautifully, enhancing your connection. Take it easy and don't rush into any serious plans just yet, let things develop naturally. Being open and allowing the relationship to flow at its own pace will bring you closer. Career and money today. While financial matters are on your mind today, exercise caution. It's not the right time to make significant investments or push for a salary increase. Instead, focus on learning and growing within your current role. By gaining more knowledge and experience, you'll set yourself up for future success. Don't rush into any money-making ventures today. Pisces horoscope today. Today, Pisces, you may find yourself drawn towards spirituality and introspection. You could feel an urge to engage in a religious activity, visit a place of worship, or read an inspirational biography. These actions will help you find deeper meaning and relevance in your life. Avoid engaging in noisy or chaotic activities, and instead, choose peace and quiet contemplation to bring calm to your mind. Health and wellness today. Your health is generally great, Pisces, but be cautious of the changing weather. You may be vulnerable to sinus issues or similar conditions that could worsen if neglected. It's important to stay warm and avoid dusty environments. Taking extra precautions today will help prevent these issues from becoming chronic. Love and relationship today. Your social life and lifestyle are undergoing positive changes, which might be challenging for your partner to adjust to. However, you will be highly supportive, ensuring that the relationship remains strong. Your emotional support will be greatly appreciated, and it will deepen your connection with your partner, strengthening your relationship bond. Career and money today. In your career, things are moving forward, but there may be a potential roadblock. If you've created something innovative, now is the time to get it patented. Some may try to claim your work as their own, but rest assured, they'll struggle to replicate your creation. Protect your intellectual property to ensure continued success. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.